Hello friends, I'm in the factory now. Behind me you can see the weather is fine. Follow me, let me show you our new machines behind me. Here are all kinds of amphibious excavators in stock for your choice. Nowadays, as the fucking Japan pouring wastewater in the sea, so we river. We have been manufacturing amphibious excavators for the sea coastline for cleaning. Let's do something to defend Japan. Follow my camera, behind me is our workshop. Let me show you our workshop inside clearly. Follow me, please. In water condition, if excavator want to dig, our plant manufactured amphibious excavators can be used. Since orders are proceeded in schedule. Workshop in our factory are full